Hi dear friends, it's me Harish Pukoran. Welcome back to new episode of Explore Yourself. Let us see what are the things we are going to discuss on today's video.
Yeah, the topic is profit and loss. We all are know that in all competitive examinations, one question or two questions from profit and loss will ask. Some of the people who are living that question only because they think that this is very tough one, so they can't solve and it will consume a lot of time. So some of them are living this topic, but this is very easiest one. So let us see how to solve that. Here the question will ask like this: you have a bag and you bought it for rupees 100, then you selling it for rupees 120. Then they are asking about how much percentage you got. I mean, how much will be the profit percentage or how much will be the loss percentage. Different types of questions they will ask. So if we will get this type of questions, what we'll do, we can make this type of picture. This is bag. So 100 rupees is the cost price. We bought the bag for 100 rupees, so that is the cost price, and we are selling that bag for rupees 120, that is the selling price. So now we have two things, one is cost price, other one is selling price, CP and SP. So let us see the short forms. CP means cost price, SP means selling price. So if you are selling it at 20 rupees profit, now you can see CP is equal to 100, SP is equal to 20. That means profit is equal to, there is an equation, profit is equal to SP minus CP, that is selling price minus cost price. That is 120 minus 100. 120 minus 100 means 20. 20 is the profit. So you are selling rupees 20 as profit. So this is the thing. You brought a bag of rupees 100 and you are selling of rupees 120. That means you got 20 rupees as profit. So in other cases, you got a bag for 100 rupees and you are selling it for rupees 80. In this case, you bought the bag on rupees 100 and you are selling on the rupees of 80. Now CP, that is cost of price, is 100 remaining the same, then selling price is become 80. The previous question it was 120 and now it's 80. So from the question itself you can understand this person have a loss. So loss means L is equal to cost of price CP minus selling price. Just reverse of the last one. So if you are giving the figures on that, that is loss is equal to 100 minus 80. 100 minus 80 is equal to 20. 20 is the loss. So in this case you have 20 rupees loss. That means you bought the bag of rupees 100 and you are selling on rupees of 80. That means 20 rupees loss is there. So one more thing, in other questions they will ask about profit percentage and loss percentage. This also they will ask about profit percentage and loss percentage. So there are some equations to find out that one. Profit percentage is equal to profit by cost of price into 100. That is the equation for profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100. So here 20 by 100 into 100, that is 20%. 20% is the profit percentage. So in loss percentage is equal to loss divided by cost price into 100, that is the equation. That is loss percentage is equal to loss divided by cost price into 100. Here 20 divided by 100 into 100, that also 20%. Here 20% is the loss. The cost price is always the denominator, so it will be same for both equations. So next type of problems they will ask like this: at what, then what, like this, that type of questions they will ask. So let us see how the question is coming. The same bag we can take as the example of same bag question. So the same picture you can see, bag, I mean cost of bag is 100 and selling rupees 120, that is selling price is 120 and cost price is 100, the same picture. So here P profit is equal to 20 minus 100, that means selling price minus cost price is equal to 20. So profit percentage, we already got the equation. Profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. So here also 20 divided by 100 into 100, that is 20 percentage. That is the profit percentage. Here we can see this is the problem. Problem number 1. Question: Arun selling a bag 120 rupees, getting the profit of 20 percentage. So what cost price he got the bag? He got from the bag. So here the question is that Arun is selling bag rupees 120, and when he is selling rupees 120, he got 20 percentage profit. What is the cost price of the bag? So that's the question. Let's see how to solve these questions. So first of all, we need to write down what are the things we got from the question. Before solving this problem, I need to say one more thing. That is, before solving the problem, let us see. Here you can see cost of the price and the selling price. There is some connection with that. When cost of the price is 100, the selling price is also 100. Both of them are same. On that case, there is no profit and there is no loss. That means we are buying the product rupees 100 and we are selling the product with the same money, I mean rupees 100. So in this case, no profit, no loss. If we are purchasing the product for rupees 100 and we are selling the product for rupees 120, in this case 20% profit will be there. 20% of profit will be there. That is 120 of 20% profit means 120% of cost price. 120% of cost price. So if you are purchasing the product, I mean the cost of the product is rupees 100 and selling rupees 80, in this case 20% loss will be there. 20% loss means we are selling 80% of cost price. If you are selling 80% of cost price, 20% is the loss. If you are selling 120% cost price, profit percentage is 20%. If you are selling the same amount, I mean if you are purchasing the product for rupees 100 and selling for the rupees the same 100, then there is no profit and there is no, that means 100% of the cost price we are using here. So you need to understand this thing, then only you can solve the formula you can solve the problems related with profit and loss. So now we can look forward the question. In question, first of all, we need to find out the cost price. They are not telling about cost price, so we need to find out the cost price. Cost price is equal to selling price. Selling price is already there in the question. Selling price, they told that Arun is selling for rupees 120, so selling price is 120. The equation is that cost price is equal to selling price divided by what percentage we are selling. Here they told that they are telling rupees 20% profit. They have 20% profit is there. 20% profit means the 120% of cost price. 120% of cost price is 20%. That's why I given a table and discussing that things earlier. So here the formula is cost price is equal to selling price divided by what percentage we are selling. Here he is selling on 20% profit, that means 120% of cost price. So equation will be like this: 120, that is the selling price, divided by 120%. 120% we can write down like this: 120 divided by 120 divided by 100. 120% is 120 divided by 100. So it will be like this. So if you are solving that, we will get like this: 120 divided by 1.2. 120 divided by 1.2 is equal to 100. So 100 is the cost of the price. So they are asking about what is the cost of the price. We got the cost of price, that is 100. 100 is the cost of price. So now we can move to the problem number 2. A man 10% loss by selling a bag at rupees 540. At what price should the bag be sold to earn 20% profit? Here a man who sold the bag for rupees 10 percentage loss, not rupees, for rupees 540. That means a man is selling a bag for rupees 540, that is 10 percentage loss. They are not speaking about the cost of the price, they are speaking about the selling price. Selling price is 540 rupees, but it is 10 percentage loss. Then question is, at what price should bag be sold to earn 20 percentage profit? If you want to get 20 percentage profit whenever we are selling the bag, then what is the price? How much price you need to sell the bag? That's a question. So let us write the given data. Here 10 percentage loss is there. We were wrote the given data. So 10 percentage loss is there. Then one more thing, selling price is already given, that is 540. 10 percentage loss means 90 percentage of cost price. If you are selling 90 percentage of cost price, then the 10 percentage will be the loss. So we can make the equation. So cost of the price is equal to the selling price divided by what percentage we are selling. That is the thing. That is selling price is 540 divided by 90 percentage. 90 percentage is the loss. So 90 percentage we can write 90 by 100. So the answer will be like this: 540 divided by 90 by 100. So it is equal to 540 divided by 0.9. 540 divided by 0.9 is equal to 600. 600 rupees is the cost of the price. But they are not asking about the cost of the price. They are asking, you need to get 20 percentage profit after selling this bag, then how much rupees you need to sell the product, I mean the bag. So we can move to the second part of the question. Here the selling price is equal to cost price into what is the percentage, I mean the profit percentage. Your profit percentage we need to get 20 percentage. Am I correct? 20 percentage profit percentage is equal to, that is 120 percentage of cost price. If you want to get 20 percentage profit, that is 120 percentage of cost price. So the problem will be like this: selling price is equal to cost price into 120 percentage. That is selling price is equal to cost price. Cost price here we got 600 into 120 percentage means 120 divided by 100. If you are solving these things, we got 720 rupees. 720 rupees is the answer. If you are selling that bag on 720 rupees, you will get 20 percentage profit. So I thought it is very clear for all. If you have any doubt, you can ask on the comment box. Okay, I will clear the doubt. So let us see the problem number 3. A shoe was sold at rupees 330 with a profit of 10%. If it was sold of rupees 275, what percentage of loss or profit? Here you can see the question. A person who selling the shoe of rupees 330 with profit of 10%. If he or she is selling that shoe of rupees 330, they will get 10% profit. If they are selling the same shoe for rupees 275, what percentage of loss or profit that persons will get? That's the question. First we need to write the given data. Let us write the given data. So that's a beginning part. Then you can see the percentage of profit percentage they are already given. Profit percentage is 10% whenever we are selling on 330, that is selling price is equal to 330 rupees and profit percentage is 10%. We need to find out the cost price, how much will be the cost price, then it's very easy to find out other things. So cost price is equal to selling price divided by what percentage we are selling. We are selling for 10% profit. 10% profit means 110 of cost price. So the equation like this: CP, I mean cost price is equal to selling price divided by 120%. Selling price is 330, that is 330 divided by 110%, 110%. 110% we can write like this: 110 divided by 100. So the if you are solving this problem, this will be like this: 330 divided by 110 divided by 100. It is equal to 330 divided by 1.1 is equal to 300 rupees. So now we got cost of the product. Cost price is 300 rupees. So we can move to the second part. The question they are asking, if we are selling the product for rupees 275, what is the percentage of loss or profit? Let us see how this whether it is profit or loss. Here we can see the cost of the price is, we got, that is 300. If you are selling for 275, definitely we can say that it is a loss, because selling price is smaller than the cost price, so it will be loss. So first of all, we need to write the what are the things we got. That is, we know the cost price, that is cost price is 300 rupees. We know the selling price also. Selling price is 275 rupees. So loss is equal to selling, loss. When we are write the equation before, that is loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, that is 300 minus 275. So loss equal to 25 is the loss. So we can move to the next equation, that we need to find out the percentage. They were asking about what percentage loss or profit. That means we need to find out the percentage. So here it is loss, so we are find out the loss percentage. Loss percentage is equal to loss divided by cost of the price into 100. So equation will be like this: loss is equal to 25 divided by cost of the price is 300. So 25 divided by 300 into 100. If you are solving this, we will get 25 by 3 percentage. 25 by 3 percentage will be the loss. That means if you are selling that shoe for rupees 275, we will get 25 by 3 percentage loss. Dear friends, these are the 3 problems we were discussing. Apart from the profit and loss, you can work out more problems for this, and you make sure you will be thorough with this problem. Then only you can easily find out the solution whenever you will get the question paper. Got it? For that, you can change the digits of the questions we were already worked out, and you can find out the answer and solution for that, and make more practices, and make your examination is very easier. Okay, thank you.
Hi dear friends, I thought this information is useful for all the people who are going to write the competitive examination. Please share this information among your friends and relatives. If you want to get the videos like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Explore Yourself with Harish Pukodan. I wish you all the very best for each and every person. It's me, Harish Pukodan.